So what you're seeing right now was made entirely with AI. No filming, no actors, no editing suite. Just one tool and one prompt. This is PixVerse V6, and it is not just another upgrade. V6 is a shift from generated visuals to real-world simulation. Physics that react, humans that move like humans, cameras that feel professionally operated. Today I'm proving all of that, with 6 real demos across different industries and the exact prompts so you can try every one yourself. If you're into AI tools, subscribe. I drop these breakdowns every week. Drop a comment. Which industry do you think AI video will disrupt first? Before we dive in, head to PixVerse.ai and create a free account. Follow along on the free plan. Paid plans unlock more usage and higher resolutions, but free is enough to start. Once you're inside, you'll see the full dashboard. Don't let it overwhelm you. Everything we're doing flows through just a handful of tools, and by the time we're done, it'll all make sense. The first thing I want to show you proves just how different V6 is. We're generating a 30-foot ocean wave crash. Think about what this costs in the real world. Specialist crew, a boat, underwater camera housing, the right weather. Tens of thousands of dollars and weeks of logistics. Previous AI models couldn't handle it either. Water always looked digital. Physics always felt off. V6 simulates how the physical world actually behaves. Look at the foam, the light refracting through the crest, the way water rushes back across the rocks. Real water physics, not a visual effect, an actual simulation. And if that has your attention, wait until you see what it does with a human face. AI video has always had one massive problem. Humans, wax figures, stiff movement, painted on expressions, empty eyes. V6 has fundamentally changed that. I'm giving it the hardest test. Pure human emotion. No dialogue, no music. Just a face. The micro expressions. The glistening eyes. The tremble in the hands. A shot like this takes a master actor and a seasoned cinematographer. Here, it takes a prompt. That level of human realism is now accessible to anyone. Same capability. Completely different use case. Brands spend tens of thousands on model shoots. Stylist, photographer, location scouting, studio rental. Here is what V6 delivers instead. Fabric texture, natural hair movement, skin detail, campaign-ready content, no crew, no budget, no model fees. Which would you use? The emotional scene or the fashion campaign? Comment below. Now let me show you the camera movement V6 generates. Nothing demonstrates it better than a car commercial. The most technically demanding shoots in advertising. Lowrider rig, rain unit, drone team, mountain location, full night shoot. Budget starts at $300,000. Let's do it for free. That camera move, ground level sweeping up into a full drone aerial reveal, is not editing. Not 2 clips cut together. V6 generates that entire arc natively, in one clip, from one prompt. Want the full prompt sheet for all 6 demos? Drop prompts in the comments. This next one is for educators, documentary makers, history creators, anyone who has needed footage of something that no longer exists. A period-accurate Roman set with hundreds of extras costs millions. Here V6 generates it in seconds. Dust particles in the light, layered audio, Latin voices, distant music, the rhythm of the marketplace. This is a world, not just a video, but that was all generation. What about changing something that already exists? The Modify suite is where PixVerse becomes a full editing platform. Remove takes unwanted objects out of a clip. Swap replaces specific elements. Add inserts new ones into existing scenes. I want to show you the full power of this live. We're going to generate a completely ordinary daytime street scene, and then transform it into a completely different world without changing a single thing about the vendor or his stall. First, generate the base video. Get that clip, then open Modify, select Restyle, and apply this. We're going to generate an ordinary daytime street scene, then transform it into a completely different world without changing the vendor or his stall. Same scene, different world. That used to require a full VFX team. In V6, it's a text prompt and a button. 3 more tools before we wrap. Templates give you pre-built social-ready formats perfect for the algorithm. Fusion combines up to 7 reference images into one seamless video. Transitions let you set a start and end frame, describe the story in between, and the AI fills the gap. V6 is just the start. Mini apps turn any image into a video instantly. Team Plan brings your whole team into the workflow. And R1 is interactive. AI video worlds. Not just watching, but actually interacting with generated content. That one changes everything. Today we generated an ocean wave, a human emotion scene, a fashion campaign, a car commercial, ancient Rome, and a full scene transformation, all from prompts. One tool, one workflow, every prompt is on screen. Go recreate it. Head to PixVerse.ai, link in the description, free to start. Like this, subscribe for weekly breakdowns, and comment telling me which demo you're trying first.